WA320-3 Komatsu wheel loader. It's got a 3-yard JRB bucket. The pins are all tight, top and bottom. Wishbone's very tight, dog bone's tight. You can see the machine turns and operates very well. It's got about 14,000 hours on the machine. The front 2 tires were replaced not too long ago, and they actually have really good tread, and they're not dry rotted. The loader speeds up quickly, dumps well. As you can see, it picks up well. Now we're going to give you a quick example of the, this would be for the articulate. And as you can tell, it's tight, there's no wear. Go ahead and give you a quick peek in the engine here. There is a little visible blow-by. I will say that. It is very minor. There is a little bit of body damage right here on the step, as well on this fairing. Nothing minor, nothing major. Nothing affects the mobility of the machine. There is a little bit of seepage here in the top cylinder. It's nothing that is so bad it can't work. Same with the bottom. They've all got a little seepage, probably because of the age and the hours. The front bucket's in good condition, no major cracks. There's no cracks at all. It needs a new front cutting edge. But besides that, it's really good shape.